everyone, Carbony456 here today, listening to a new episode of Mod Madness, as we are trying out another generation PC mod. So we're going to play with the Gold Sonic from the JoJo Network, and also the Unleashed Project from the Unleashed Project team. So if you want to try them out for yourself, the links are in the description below. And as always, if you want to keep on seeing more mods and daily mods, smash that like button. It lets you get a like goal of 3,000 likes. And let me know in the comments below for question of the day. Which gameplay style do you prefer more, Unleashed or Generations? Because I uploaded a video earlier today on Twitter talking about, how Generations is a good modern Sonic game because, we've had Forces that definitely soured a lot of Sonic fans' taste, especially after Mania. But Generations is just so much fun to play, and I honestly feel like the level design and the controls in this game are just... they're the best for all modern Sonic games. Even though I like Unleashed and how their stages, or the stages in that game, are a lot longer, and also I like the speed and the quick time events in the Unleashed gameplay. I don't know. It's kind of hard to decide. I think Generations is better, but let me know down below. Okay, quick edits, because I ran into some random glitch. Like, when I started boosting here, for some reason, Sonic did an air boost, and it just threw everything off. But, anyways, I have the no heads-up display mod on, so that we don't see any numbers or anything like that. And if y'all want to see cinematic motion blur added to future videos, let me know down below, because I can definitely add that. It just makes the rendering times a lot longer, around like 6 to 12 hours instead of 45 minutes to an hour. And yeah, I would have to get them prepared like a day before, but if y'all would like to see that, I mean, I will definitely do it, because it's not too hard. I can definitely record like, I don't know, like 5, 6 mods in one day or something like that, and just have them ready for the entire week. So if that's something y'all would like, let me know down below. But Windmill Isle, man, it's so amazing. Then I have the Windmill Isle Classic remix from Salvo. Super good, because what she did was she actually added some samples from the Sonic Rush Adventure soundtrack with the Everybody Body Got That. Everybody body, oh, yo, I love that, dude. I love Sonic Rush Adventure. Okay, I don't know what happened there. I don't know why my jump didn't come out. I am experiencing a little bit of lag here. And that's another thing too. Shadowplay has been glitching out like crazy for me. Because usually I can record footage in 4K, 60 in Shadowplay, easy, no problems whatsoever. But it seems like with Generations, it's not really letting that happen. And I think it's actually because Generations actually is more stressful on your desktop than Sonic Forces. Now, the reason for that being, well, Forces kind of, I think, uses, more cores and whatnot, while Generations does not. But, that's why I can actually play Forces 4K, no problems whatsoever. But this, every once in a while, I have some lag drops, but, alright, let's go. Golden Sonic, though, looks so good. It's basically like Golden Mario, and, there's this one mod that, oh god, what the heck? My game froze. Hello? Alright, there we go. Now it's working. So I actually had to lower the resolution on my game because it started glitching out. I don't know why. It seems like Generations will just kind of act glitchy when it comes to recording at 4K and whatnot. But there we go. That's it for Windmill Isle. Now we're going to move on to, we're going to close the game real quick, and we're going to turn off the Unleashed project, because I actually want to show you guys, this is the super form for this character. So, alright, so I set everything back to normal settings, like 1440p now. I could possibly do 4K, but I just didn't want to take the risk. But now everything's running super smoothly. I don't have any issues at all. So I really think it just has something to do with this character mod not really wanting to cooperate with the stage mod, the Unleashed project. So I gotta keep that in mind. There are some character mods that will not work as smoothly with stage mods, and that will actually make the game lag out more than usual. Because, I don't know, most of the time I can run 4K Generations, no issues whatsoever. I mean, I got 2 GTX 1080s. I know it doesn't support dual SLI, or it doesn't support SLI, but I have a good CPU too, so it's an Extreme. I can't recall which one it is, but I know it's an Extreme, so I shouldn't have any issues at all. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, though, we should be coming close to getting that golden